Here are a few exercises you can do with your Pilates Magic Circle. Lie on your back and place your magic circle above the knees on your inner thighs. Feet are hip distance apart. Start with a few squeezes of the circle and then roll the hips up to the ceiling. Don't release the squeeze of the circle as you roll the hips back down to the floor, working those inner thighs. Release the circle at the bottom. Again, squeeze the circle, roll the hips up to the ceiling, and then roll the spine down, lower the hips, release the circle. In this version of shoulder bridge, you'll get some inner thigh action as you work the glutes and the hamstrings. If you need a little bit of assistance when you do your tricep push-ups, try this. Place your magic circle right on your sternum, stretch the legs long behind you, and try your push-ups with the magic circle under the chest. The circle gives you extra support while you build your strength. This version of crisscross is a doozy. Place one pad on your thigh above the knee. Place the other pad at the bottom of your tricep above the elbow. Crunch the upper body up as you pull the thigh bone towards the body, squishing the circle. Extra credit if you hover that opposite leg off the floor. If you want to make the 100 extra spicy, place the pads right above your inner ankles and feel the inner thighs working as you do your pumps. For more of an outer thigh focus, put your feet through the circle and place the pads above the outer ankles. If you want more hamstring action in your single leg kick, place one pad at the crease where your glutes and hamstrings meet, and the other pad underneath your heel. Come onto your elbows and squeeze the heel towards your seat, pulling the belly button away from the floor. If this is too much for your low back, lie all the way down and place your forehead on top of your hands. Try these and let me know how you do.